everyone, today we will be showing you an update to some of our new products on the building services side, as well as how to find and download the new BIM and CAD drawings available. To start, head to the Wilo website and click on the Products tab at the top of the page. From here, we have many different filters to help you locate the product you are looking for, such as design type, keyword, or application. For this purpose, we are going to select the Building Services commercial box, which is located under the segment filter. And then once you have done that, you can select your product from the list that pops up, and we will be selecting the Co-MBI. And then from there, you see the new tabs that are available to you, and we are going to want to select the Product Selection tab. On this page, you can utilize the filters near the top to utilize the product list that pops up. So we're just going to select 2 pumps. And then we scroll down and we see the new list that comes up with the filters applied. So you can just find the product that you are looking for. And then from here, we see the new tabs that come up, and we are going to want to select the BIM/CAD tab. And then you can just select download, and then your download should appear in the upper right corner of the screen.